Multilingual actress Pranita Subhash from Karnataka has taunted apologists in the backdrop of Taliban taking over Afghanistan, and her post has gone viral on social media. Pranita, the popular South Indian actress of Bhuj, has stated that apologists in India are using Hindu terror as a defense to whitewash what's happening in Afghanistan. Attempts to legitimize the concept will remain a figment of their imagination. Beware, enemies are not present beyond our borders, they are around you too, she posted on her social media. Pranita further said in another post that reports of young girls being raped and enslaved in Afghanistan by the Taliban are horrifying. What was the use of ISAF's 2-decade-long presence if they don't protect the most vulnerable? Our prayers are for the safety of the Afghan people, she added. The post went viral and people have appreciated the boldness of the actress to comment on the sensitive issue. Pranita involves herself in philanthropic as well as social activism. On the professional front, Pranita made her Bollywood debut in Hungama 2, which also stars Shilpa Shetty-Kundra, Paresh Rawal and Mizan Joffrey. Pranita was also seen in Ajay Devgan's starrer movie Bhuj, the Pride of India. On the personal front, Pranita got married to Bangalore-based businessman Nitin Raju in May this year. The actress announced the news of her marriage on her Instagram handle. The actress wrote, "It is with great happiness that we would like to inform you that we got married on 30th of May 2021 in a very intimate ceremony. We are extremely sorry to have not informed you about the finalized date, as up until the day before the wedding, we were unsure about when the wedding will take place due to the current COVID restrictions. We didn't want to put you through with the prolonged ambiguity of our wedding dates," she wrote on Instagram. Pranita has been a part of various Telugu, Tamil and Kannada films. She was last seen on the big screen in NTR Kathanayakudu.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.